हावटेला बीन कितें गो हूं येता मदींच उठोन दीस तर Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christy and right now I'm in Goa. I have with me two pretty ladies from Goa. Hi, this is Lipstick Jordan, Mr. Data Lagli. Tissue. Are you okay? Should we start? Oh, yeah. Hello, मोगे नाव जाकीन. अगो, मातशें इंग्लिशीन उलयतले? Hello, my name Jakin. I living नायले सालसेट. इथे कसली इंग्लिश उलयता गो तू? नाव पिड्यार करता मग तू गोंयकारांचे. Hello, my name is Mariola and I'm from Taligaon. Alright, so I want you all to teach me few sentences in Konkani. Are you all guys ready? Yes. Great. So let's begin with how are you? How asa? Fine. No. I mean, how do you say how are you in Konkani? Kesha go tu kashe asa. Why are you both speaking different language?
People from
Different parts of Goa speak differently. Wow, that's something probably I didn't know. So, tu कैसा है? No, not cash. Cash is है. Cash. Cash? You mean this cash? Oh, how confusing. Let's move on to a different thing. Okay, so teach me to say, look at that beautiful flower. Te sobit full poi. Te sobit full toy. Toy or poi. Wow, nice. Te sobit full toy poi, right? Yes. Okay, next. Oh no, there are a lot of mosquitoes here. Ing खूप किमसा आहे. Inga खूप जुवारी आहात. Actually, this wasn't the part of the video. Anyway, I thought Zuari is the name of a bridge. Yeah, it's in Kortalim. But we also call mosquito Zuari. You म्हण किमसा गो ते जुवारी पुवारी ऑल कन्फ्युजिंग आणि तोकली घुसपाईंग. जुवारीचे म्हाका खबर ना बट तुझी इंग्लिश आयकून ते शुअर घुसपाते. Actually, I like the word kimsa. We'll move on to the next thing. So next will be I'm feeling very cold. म्हाका खूप थंडी खाता. म्हाका खूप शी खाता. थंडी and she. Okay, nice. Now let's move on to directions. What if I want to say go this way or that way? Yesh was and it tesh was. Ye watin was, te watin was. Yesh was, tesh was. Okay, next, sit in front of me. Oh, where are you going? The video hasn't ended yet. Please settle down. आवटेला बीन कितें गो? हूं येता गो मदींच उठोन. Disrespect सोलमोतेले मुगो ते. तूं मातशें ओगी राव. Just now you said mugo, come your front. I coming your front with my kodil. I guess you took that one seriously. I meant translation in Konkani. तेसे. तू माझे मुखार येऊन बस. माझे फुडल्यान येऊन बस. So much difference. I guess I'll have to learn North Konkani separately and South Konkani separately. Okay, next, come here. हांवें येवपाचें? तुका आनी क्रिस्टी बायन हुसून उखलून हाडले गो. ट्रान्सलेशन विचारता ते. उखलून हाडपाक कितें तानवां आसा गो? Come here will be ingyo.
Hingayo in North.
Okay, so I guess this is enough for the day, or it will be really difficult for me to digest so much. Lastly, I would like to say thank you in Konkani to my viewers. Deo bare koru. Yes, we say the same in North Konkani as well as South Konkani.
Wait, taking God's name in vain, it's wrong. Isn't it true?
Yes, valid points. It can be true to those who take God's name carelessly, without reference, without even thinking, in silly matters. Deo Pare Koru in our mother tongue, Konkani, is actually a prayer. Deo Pare Koru literally means may God do good to you. It is a prayer because it actually means may God's grace be upon you. Now, Catechism teaches us there are two types of graces, sanctifying grace and actual grace. These graces are given to us by our Almighty God. Grace is a free gift, a supernatural gift, bestowed upon us for our salvation and sanctification to the merits of Jesus Christ. This grace comes directly from God. Baptism puts sanctifying grace into our souls for the first time. Directly from God as free gift means? Okay, let me explain. See, we all know in the atmosphere there is oxygen, water, carbon dioxide, etc. But grace cannot be invented, nor found, nor discovered by man. It is only given to us by God. That is why it is called free gift and supernatural. It is an uncreated gift. Therefore, one should be very, very, very careful not to lose it. How do we lose it? By committing sin. So, even though God's amazing grace is freely available, one can fall away from grace due to sin. Okay, understood. Henceforth, I will beg God and remember while praying the Angelus, etc. Pour forth, we beseech thee, O Lord, thy grace into our hearts. Okay. Please do. Ask and you shall receive. Seek and you shall find. Wow, this is so good. Yes, and even we say देव बरा दिस दियो, देव बरी सांस दियो, and देव बरी रात दियो. That must be good morning, evening, and night, right? Yes, Sam ke right. Yes, may God give you good day, good evening, and good night. To which we reply, Jesu Kurpa Diu, which means may Jesus' grace be with you. Wow, that's awesome. I will surely teach this to all my friends. But for now, let's put an end to this video. Dear Breaker for watching my video. Also, let me know guys which part of Goa y'all are from. North or South? Hakit muno. क्रिस्टी बाय के चैनल सब्सक्राइब करा. तुम रहने दो, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. Also, what was that? Yeah, more Kasanti, y'all do that too.